We got one quick video for you to give you an update on this second long mean closure. We didn't verticut this time because the second one we typically don't get as aggressive on the verticutting. However, we do get aggressive on the aerification, being our last chance to core aerate these greens going into winter. So the team started out with 1/2 inch core tine going 3 inch spacings. 2 days later, contractors came out with their drill and fill machine. This is a large machine with multiple 1 inch drill bits that drills directly into the profile of the greens and immediately fills sand back in those holes. This is a long process. The team did an excellent job running bags of sand over, filling in these machines as they were moving. We didn't do all the greens in the long mean, just a couple that give us some drainage issues. And finally on Friday, the DryJect team came out to inject some more of this sand and help dilute some of that permafor material that we have in these greens on the long mean. With this aerification this past week, going to help dilute some of that old permafor material that's still in there, better drain that surface of the greens, and bring more oxygen back to the roots. Overall, expect about a 67 to 122% better performing green this coming year. Thank you all so much for watching. We got one more video for you, so make sure to stay tuned. Y'all take care now. Bye.